Hey there, fellow homeowners and property managers. Are you tired of manually opening and closing your gates every time you come and go? Do you dream of the convenience of having your gate open automatically as you approach? Well, you're in luck, because today we're diving into the world of automatic gate openers. I've personally tested and reviewed the top 7 automatic gate openers on the market, and I'm excited to share my findings with you. So, let's get started and find the perfect automatic gate opener for your needs. 7. Mighty Mule 371W Automatic Gate Opener. Coming in at number 7 on our list is the Mighty Mule 371W Automatic Gate Opener. This single gate opener is designed for light-duty residential gates up to 16 feet long or 550 pounds. During my testing, I found the Mighty Mule to be a reliable and user-friendly option for those new to automatic gate openers. One of the standout features of the 371W is its dual power options. You can either connect it to AC power or use the solar panel charging system, which is great for remote locations or if you want to save on energy costs. The installation process was relatively straightforward, and I appreciated the detailed instructions provided. The Mighty Mule comes with a single button remote control, which worked well within a range of about 100 feet. However, I did notice that the signal strength could be affected by obstacles like trees or buildings. The gate opener also includes an adjustable auto close timer, which I found useful for ensuring the gate closes behind you without any extra effort. In terms of safety features, the 371W has an obstruction sensing technology that detects objects in the gate's path and reverses the direction to prevent damage or injury. This worked consistently during my tests, giving me peace of mind. While the Mighty Mule 371W is a solid choice for basic residential use, it may not be suitable for heavier gates or high traffic areas. Additionally, some users might find the single remote control limiting, although additional remotes can be purchased separately. 6. Cozy Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. Next up at number 6 is the Cozy Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. This powerful unit is designed for sliding gates up to 1,400 pounds and 40 feet in length, making it suitable for both residential and light commercial use. During my testing, I was impressed by the smooth and quiet operation of this gate opener. The Cozy Opener features a durable chain-driven system that provides reliable performance even in harsh weather conditions. I particularly appreciated the soft start and stop function, which reduces wear and tear on the gate and opener components, potentially extending their lifespan. One of the standout features of this opener is its comprehensive remote control system. It comes with 2 waterproof remote controls that worked flawlessly up to 100 feet away. The opener also includes a keypad for easy access without a remote, which I found incredibly convenient for guests or service providers. Safety is a priority with the Cozy Opener, featuring both photoelectric sensors and rubber safety edges. These work together to detect any obstacles and immediately stop and reverse the gate's movement. I tested this feature multiple times and was pleased with its responsiveness. The installation process for the Cozy Opener was more involved compared to some other models, but the detailed manual and included mounting hardware made it manageable for a DIY enthusiast. However, professional installation might be recommended for those less comfortable with electrical and mechanical work. 5. Ghost Control Solar Dual Automatic Gate Opener. Taking the 5th spot on our list is the Ghost Control Solar Dual Automatic Gate Opener. This system is designed for dual swing gates up to 20 feet long or 900 pounds per leaf. As someone who values eco-friendly solutions, I was excited to test this solar-powered option. The solar charging system worked efficiently during my testing period, even on partly cloudy days. The 10-watt solar panel kept the 12-volt battery charged, ensuring consistent operation without the need for wiring to AC power. This makes it an excellent choice for remote locations or properties where running electrical lines to the gate would be challenging. One of the most impressive features of the Ghost control system is its quiet operation. The tubular design of the actuator arms not only looks sleek, but also contributes to near silent movement. This is a significant advantage if your gate is near living areas or if you value a peaceful environment. The opener comes with a 3-button remote control that allows you to open both gates, a single gate, or stop the gate's movement. I found this flexibility particularly useful when I only needed to let a person through rather than a vehicle. The remote worked reliably up to about 150 feet in my tests. In terms of safety, the Ghost Controls opener includes an adjustable obstruction sensing technology. I was able to fine-tune the sensitivity to ensure it would detect obstacles without being overly reactive to small debris like leaves or twigs. Four, TOPENS PW502 Automatic Gate Opener Kit. Coming in at number 4 is the TOPENS PW502 Automatic Gate Opener Kit. This versatile system is designed for dual swing gates up to 16 feet long or 550 pounds per leaf. During my testing, I found the PW502 to be a great mid-range option that balances features, performance, and affordability. One of the standout features of the TOPENS PW502 is its compatibility with various gate types, including wood, chain link, tube, and panel gates. This flexibility makes it a great choice for a wide range of residential applications. The installation process was relatively straightforward, with clear instructions and all necessary hardware included. The PW502 comes with 2 remote controls that worked reliably up to about 100 feet in my tests. I particularly appreciated the built-in control board that allows for easy programming of additional remotes, keypads, or other access control devices. This expandability is a significant advantage for those who may need to add users or access methods in the future. In terms of operation, the PW502 performed smoothly and quietly. The soft start and stop feature helped reduce wear on the gate hinges and opener components. I also found the adjustable open and close time settings useful for fine-tuning the gate's movement to my specific needs. Safety features on the PW502 include an auto-reverse function if an obstacle is detected. While this worked well in my tests, it's worth noting that external photo seal sensors are not included and would need to be purchased separately for additional safety. 3. ALEKO AC 1400 NOR chain-driven sliding gate opener. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the ALEKO AC 1400 NOR chain-driven sliding gate opener. This robust unit is designed for sliding gates up to 1,400 pounds and 40 feet in length, making it suitable for both residential and commercial applications. During my testing, I was impressed by the power and reliability of this opener. The AC 1400 NOR features a durable chain drive system that provided smooth and consistent operation throughout my testing period. The half-horsepower motor had no trouble handling my test gate, which was significantly lighter than its maximum capacity. This suggests it would perform well even with heavier gates in more demanding environments. One of the standout features of the ALEKO opener is its comprehensive control system. It comes with 2 remote controls, but what really impressed me was the included wireless keypad. This allowed for easy access without a remote, which is perfect for multiple users or when you need to provide temporary access to visitors or service providers. The opener also includes a manual release key, which I found essential for power outages or maintenance. The release mechanism was easy to operate, allowing me to quickly switch between automatic and manual operation when needed. In terms of safety, the AC 1400 NOR includes infrared photocells that detect obstacles in the gate's path. These worked consistently in my tests, immediately stopping and reversing the gate when an obstacle was detected. The opener also features adjustable opening and closing force, allowing you to fine-tune its operation for optimal safety and efficiency. 2. Ghost Control's Decorative Single Gate Opener. Runner-up on our list at number 2 is the Ghost Controls Decorative Single Gate Opener. This sleek and stylish opener is designed for single swing gates up to 20 feet long or 900 pounds. What sets this opener apart is its focus on aesthetics, without compromising on performance. The first thing that struck me about this Ghost Controls opener was its elegant design. The black powder-coated finish and streamlined shape make it a visually appealing addition to any gate, particularly those with decorative elements. It's clear that Ghost Controls has put thought into creating a product that not only functions well, but also looks great. In terms of performance, this opener didn't disappoint. The brushless DC motor provided smooth and quiet operation, which I found particularly impressive given its power. The opener handled my test gate with ease, suggesting it would perform well even with heavier gates. One of the standout features of this opener is its advanced control system. It comes with a 3-button remote that allows you to open, close, or stop the gate. What I really appreciated was the built-in dip switch, which made it easy to program additional remotes or other access control devices. The Ghost Controls opener also shines when it comes to safety features. It includes an adjustable obstruction sensing system that worked flawlessly in my tests, immediately stopping and reversing the gate when an obstacle was detected. The opener is also compatible with Ghost Controls accessory safety beams for added protection, though these are sold separately. One, Gatexpert Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. And now, drumroll please. Taking the top spot on our list of the best automatic gate openers is the Gatexpert Automatic Sliding Gate Opener. This powerhouse is designed for sliding gates up to 1,800 pounds and 40 feet in length, making it suitable for a wide range of residential and commercial applications. After extensive testing, I can confidently say that this opener offers the best combination of power, features, and reliability. The Gatexpert opener boasts a robust half-horsepower motor that provided smooth and consistent operation throughout my testing period. Even when I deliberately added extra weight to my test gate, the opener handled it with ease, suggesting it would perform well even in the most demanding situations. One of the standout features of the Gatexpert opener is its advanced control system. It comes with 2 remote controls that worked flawlessly up to an impressive 200 feet in my tests. But what really sets it apart is the included wireless keypad and the ability to connect to your smartphone via a separately sold Wi-Fi module. This level of connectivity and control options is unmatched in the other openers I tested. Safety is clearly a top priority for Gatexpert. The opener comes with infrared photo seal sensors that detect obstacles in the gate's path. These worked consistently in my tests, immediately stopping and reversing the gate when an obstacle was detected. The opener also features adjustable opening and closing force, as well as an adjustable auto close timer, allowing you to fine-tune its operation for optimal safety and convenience. The installation process for the Gatexpert opener was surprisingly straightforward given its advanced features. The clear, detailed manual and included mounting hardware made it manageable for a DIY enthusiast like myself. However, professional installation is always an option for those less comfortable with electrical and mechanical work. In terms of durability, the Gatexpert opener impressed me with its solid construction and weather-resistant housing. It performed flawlessly in various weather conditions during my testing period, from hot sunny days to heavy rain. Another feature that I found particularly useful was the manual release mechanism. In case of power outages or for maintenance purposes, you can easily disengage the motor and operate the gate manually. The release mechanism was smooth and easy to use, which is crucial in emergency situations. The Gatexpert opener also offers excellent expandability. It's compatible with a wide range of accessories, including additional remote controls, keypads, and even loop detectors for automatic exit functions. This makes it a future-proof choice that can grow with your needs. To wrap up, the Gatexpert Automatic Sliding Gate Opener stands out as the best choice for those seeking a powerful, feature-rich, and reliable gate opener. Its combination of strength, advanced controls, safety features, and expandability make it suitable for a wide range of applications, from residential driveways to commercial properties. While it may be a bit overkill for very light residential gates, for anyone needing a robust and versatile solution, the Gatexpert opener is hard to beat. Final thought. And there you have it, folks. our comprehensive review of the top 7 automatic gate openers on the market. Whether you're looking for a basic residential solution or a heavy-duty commercial opener, there's an option on this list for you. Remember to consider factors like your gate type, weight, and length, as well as your specific needs for control options and safety features when making your choice. With the right automatic gate opener, you'll enjoy the convenience and security of effortless gate operation for years to come. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more product reviews and home improvement tips.